Welcome to a brand new video, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, I just wanted to go ahead and clear up some legal confusion between the recent ruling that Donald Trump is not allowed to freeze federal funding or foreign aid to, in orders from the Supreme Court in a 5-4 ruling that that Judge Amar Ali was ordered to set a new deadline of last Monday. This Monday. This last Monday that passed. Let's get into it. As you all know, the simple answer that the simple legal, constitutional, lawful answer to that is yes, the Supreme Court, if the Supreme Court of the United States rules or gives instructions to lower courts, those instructions are legally binding. Here's why that is. Because the Supreme Court of the United States is the highest court in the federal judiciary system, and its and its decisions are binding on all lower courts, both federal and state, on issues of federal law. Here's a more detailed explanation continued on the next photo. The Supreme Court of the United States as the highest court. The Supreme Court is the the final authority on the interpretation of the Constitution and federal laws. Binding authority. Decisions that are made by the Supreme Court of the United States are mandatory for all lower federal courts, including the courts of appeals and district courts, as well as state courts when dealing with issues of federal law. Judicial review. The Supreme Court's power to review and potentially overturn decisions of lower courts is a key aspect of its role, known as the federal as the judicial review. Stare decisis. The principle of the stare decisis, which is Latin for to stand by things decided, requires courts to follow precedents set by courts, including the Supreme Court. Mandatory versus persuasive authority. The Supreme Court decisions are considered mandatory authority, meaning that they must be followed, while decisions from other federal courts are considered persuasive authority, meaning that those decisions can be considered but are not binding. Constitutional interpretation. The Supreme Court's authority to interpret the Constitution ensures that laws are applied consistently across the country. These slides are in response, just so you guys know, to my recent video, United States District Judge Amar Ali orders Trump admin to pay some $2 billion in foreign aid bills by 3/10/25, which is, ladies and gentlemen, or was Monday, the Monday that just passed. Hence, I hope, ladies and gentlemen, that this video, that this video, in a way, clears up the constitutional legal confusion, because one of my viewers had told me, even though I know that what they told me is a bunch of BS, that just because the Supreme Court told Judge Amar Ali to figure out a new deadline, considering the original deadline of February, I think February 26th had already passed, that he needed to figure out a new deadline for Trump and his administration to pay out the $2 billion in foreign aid. Hence, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, I hope this clears up some legal questions on the merits, because I was told that just because Judge Amar Ali was told to find a new deadline, that just because the Supreme Court told him to do something doesn't mean he has the legal authority to act and issue the order from what he did. That is a bunch of baloney right there, and a bunch of BS. That is gonna do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit that bell icon. It does not cost anything, to make sure you never miss a brand new video in legal breaking analysis reporting. And go ahead and click the all notification. That way you make sure that you never miss a brand new video regardless. And don't click the personalized icon, because that'll just notify you of some legal breaking analysis videos. Next thing you guys can do in order to make sure you guys stay notified and up to date on when illegal breaking analysis reporting is posted to the channel is by following me on my social medias that'll be linked down below here in the description. Lastly, please help me reach the channel goal of 120 plus subscribers. The reason why I'm saying 120 plus subscribers is because right after we reach the goal of 120 subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach right after we achieve the goal of 120 plus subscribers. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching and tuning into today's legal breaking analysis reporting, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Stay positive and stay safe.